Hello everyone, this is Casper Beamish and welcome back to another unboxing video. Now this one is a very special unboxing video indeed because in here is probably one of my rarest items, so far right now. And guys, if you have seen it, I've actually hinted towards, I've gave you guys a small hint about what it is. Thomas and the Magic Railroad, the Lost Edition. If you're watching this, then you might know what's in here. The hint, I'm not going to say, what my, hint was, but, if any of you can guess, then, let's open it. Here we go. Which I'm really excited about. Because, like I said, this is probably one of my rarest items. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, come on. Oh my god, yes. Oh. Oh my god, yes. Sorry if the thing's a bit off screen, by the way. Oh god. Oh my god, yes! Yes, oh my goodness. That's right, guys, it is the Troublesome Brake Van. Oh my goodness, yes, I have always wanted the Troublesome Brake Van, which, is one step away from the white-faced Troublesome truck. Oh my god, I'm so happy. And now here's like my oldest item too, which is pretty impressive. And there's no dates on the wheels. Oh my god, yes, I'm so happy! Anyway, guys, that's it. Jeez, oh my god, this is such a good order. Oh my god, I can't believe I've got him. Oh my god! Anyways, guys, that is it. So, yeah, see you later.